Hello children, today I am going to teach you a new chapter, that is chapter 14, Directions and Time. Children, do you know that the sun rises from the east and sets in the west? East, west, north and south are the four directions. So children, you know the sun rises from the east every morning. When we face the sunrise, we are looking at the east. Behind us is the west where the sun sets. To our left hand side is the north and to the right hand side is the south. Children, what you can do in the morning, stand facing the sun. Stretch your arms as shown in this picture. On your front is the east. Behind is west. To your left is the north and to the right is the south. Children, now we are going to learn about map. Do you know what is a map? A map is a drawing or a diagram of a particular area. It shows us different places and where they are located. मैप हमें अलग अलग प्लेसेस दिखाता है और वो कहाँ पे लोकेट है वो भी बताता है. If we are in a new place, we can find the ways by using a map. ठीक है, अगर हम एक नए प्लेस में हैं, हम एक मैप यूज़ करके रास्ता ढूंढ सकते हैं. Children, to know the simple directions, we use the words like left or right, up or down, forward or backward, behind or in front of. But to know the larger areas, we use the names of the directions, that is north, south, east and west. And now we will learn about time. Children, do you know the period from sunrise to sunset is the day. The period from sunset to sunrise is the night. Day and night together make a complete day. Yes children, you know, when the sun rises, it is the morning. When the sun is just over our head or it is up in the sky, जब हमारे सर के ऊपर होता है, दैट इज़ द नून और मिड डे. ठीक है, उसे हम नून बोलते हैं या मिड डे बोलते हैं. एंड मिड डे और नून इज़ फॉलोड बाय आफ्टरनून. द टाइम आफ्टर मिड डे इज़ कॉल्ड आफ्टरनून. ओके, मिड डे और नून के बाद जो टाइम होता है उसे आफ्टरनून बोलते हैं. इवनिंग. आफ्टरनून इज़ फॉलोड बाय इवनिंग. The sun sets in the evening. Yes children. Then afternoon it is followed by evening when the sun sets. Sun evening को set करता है. Then comes the night. When the sun sets, it is dark everywhere. Then comes the night where the stars and moon appear in the sky. It is called night. Now we will learn about hours, minutes and seconds. Children, time is measured in hours, minutes and seconds. There are 24 hours in a day. Hours are divided into minutes and minutes are divided into seconds. Yes children, there are 24 hours in a day. And these hours are divided into minutes and minutes are divided into seconds. 1 minute has 60 seconds and 1 hour has 60 minutes. And children, how we check the time? We use a clock or a watch to check the time. Children, let's see years, months and weeks. You know, a common year has 365 days and a leap year has 366 days. Yes children, नॉर्मल ईयर में 365 डेज ही होते हैं. ओके, बट इन अ लीप ईयर देयर आर 366 डेज What is a leap year? That comes once in every 4 year. Okay? 4 ईयर में जो एक बार लीप ईयर आता है उसमें 366 डेज होते हैं, बट कॉमन ईयर में 365 डेज होते हैं. And children, this year is again divided into months and weeks. You know, there are 12 months in a year and 52 weeks in a year. Okay? So children, what are the 12 months? You know, they are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. These are the 12 months which make a year. Children, you can have fun and also remember the number of days each month has by counting on your knuckles. The names of the months which come on the peak has 31 days and the name of the months which come on the valley have 30 days. Let's see. You can see this picture given in your book. The name of the months which come on the peak have 31 days. Like you see, January, it has 31 days. And here the valley, it's February, 28 days. Here you see March, it is on the peak and it has 31 days. Next, April, it falls on the valley, it has 30 days. And May, it is on the peak, it has 31 days. Okay, like this you can try at home and remember the days each month has by counting on your knuckle. And children, you all know there are 7 days in a week. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, and there are total 52 weeks in a year. So children, we have completed this chapter. What you need to do, you have to watch this video nicely and go through this chapter, read it twice. If you're having any doubt, you can ask me in the class. Okay children, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.